Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mathematics Made Easy. A big thank you for all my new subscribers who've been watching my videos regularly. And just for you, a special video is coming today for all of my viewers and all my dear students from Miss Ruchika from Mathematics Made Easy. So today I present before you 5 exam tips that is going to ease your exam stress and will help you to score well. This is a must-watch video for all my students and viewers and those who are giving exams. So these tips will work not only for math but for any exam that you're giving. So let's get started with this most important video. Please watch it till the end. It's a short video and it will really help you for easing out your exam stress, the pressure. You will not panic and it will help you to score really well. The first tip that I present to you from my side is the most important one, and it is not to panic about the exam. You shouldn't be taking any undue exam stress or pressure because when you are stressed, you tend to make a lot of mistakes. Instead, I would suggest you to focus your energy, whatever energy you have, whatever stress is coming to your mind, in the right direction. So, how do you channelize that stress? How do you focus your energy on the right things? You put that in the effort that you are putting for the exam. So prepare well, and study really hard for the exam. That study should be very, very consistent. Tip number two, remember confidence and positivity instead of fear comes from solid preparation and not last minute study. So many of you must be having this not so good habit of last minute study, and that is what makes you anxious before the exam. It creates fear. So remove that fear, instead put a lot of confidence in yourself before the exam, and that confidence is going to come only if you are well prepared for your exam. So prepare well, do a very solid preparation for your exam. And as you know, math is a subject of practice. So your everyday efforts that you are putting to improve and excel in the subject is what is going to count before your exam. That is what is going to make you happy and confident. So prepare well, practice every day, and do everyday study. Revise what topic your teacher is teaching you the same day. Don't keep it for the last minute before the exam, and that is a very good practice for all subjects. Number three, practice and solve the important questions and all the revision assignments that your teacher is giving you. First, try to solve those questions on your own. What will happen from that practice? You will first gain confidence and you'll also get to know your weak points. After that, once you know where you are stuck or what doubts and questions then you have, it is time for you to look for help and ask and clear your doubts from your teacher. Tip number four, and this works for math, especially on modules and lessons that have a lot of formulas. So try to learn those important formulas very much in advance. Don't wait for the exam day that you will start learning the formulas at that time. It's a good practice to write them on your own without looking from the book in your notebook, and then you check how much you remember. Also, another tip that I would like to give here for helping you to learn the important formulas easily is every day trying to learn them. So you make a chart or you make a list and put it on your study room wherever you sit for preparing, for revising for your exams, and watch through it every day, glance through it every day. And this you have to do way ahead, maybe a month before your exam, so that in the next 30 days before you give your exam, every day, because you are looking at those formulas, you're trying to put them into your mind, into your memory, you're trying to grasp and learn them. It will happen very smoothly for you on exam day and you will remember them, and when you solve question you will know which one is the formula that will help you to solve the question. Number five, last but not the least, follow timer for each question. Generally, for most of your exams, you have a timer. You have to finish your exam in a certain amount of time. So don't spend too much time on a question which you don't know or you feel you're stuck with. So just move on to the next question. An ideal practice for your exam to save time would be to first complete the questions that you're confident of and then later come back to those where you feel stuck. Remember to follow the exam timer. Ideally, for your math exams, you should not be spending more than 3 minutes on a question. So try to follow the timer for each question, and that is when you will be left with enough time in the end to revise your exam. A bonus tip from my side is to read your questions well and analyze what is given in the question, what you need to find in the question, and then you choose a suitable method that takes the less amount of time to solve the question. Generally for math, there are more than one ways of solving the question. So in your exam, it is very important to choose a method which will take least amount of time so that you can follow the timer and complete your exam on time. Also, keep the last 5 minutes of your exam time always to revise your answers before you submit the exam. In that process, you will correct any errors that you've made in the first place while solving those questions. So this is a pretty important tip for all of you. So those were some tips and tricks that would help you for your exams. I know you are giving your exams for all subjects. I hope these tips really help you for all your exams. And from my side, I wish you good luck for your coming exams. May you all have success and you keep working hard for scoring well in your exams. All the very, very best. And this is Miss Ruchika signing off from the video. If you liked my tips and trick, do give this video a thumbs up. Put in your comments what are your thoughts and suggestions. Do you follow these tips already, or which one did you find the most useful, or you want to apply in future if you have not done that till now. This is Miss Ruchika now signing off. So please do like, share and subscribe to my channel if you like watching my videos and you find them useful. Thank you. Bye-bye.